Hello everyone, welcome to Mervit Education Center Mathematics online class. At the end of this video, I am expecting you to be able to determine the maximum and minimum values of quadratic functions. Today, we are going to learn the minimum and maximum values of quadratic functions. The quadratic function has a maximum value when a is less than 0, like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, or any negative number, and has a minimum value when a is greater than 0, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or any positive number. In determining the minimum and maximum values of a quadratic function, we must solve the value of x using the formula of the axis of symmetry. X is equal to -b over 2a, and solve the value of f of x by substituting the value of x on the given quadratic function. Example number 1. Determine the minimum or maximum point of the given quadratic function. From the given quadratic function, the value of a is 2. Since the value of a is greater than 0, the quadratic function has a minimum point. To find the minimum point, solve for the value of x using the formula x is equal to -b over 2a. From the given quadratic function, the value of a is 2. The value of b is 8. Replace b and a using their values. 8 and 2. Negative times 8 is equal to -8. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. -8 divided by 4 is equal to -2. After finding the value of x, let us now find the value of f of x, or the value of y. Since x is equal to -2, substitute it to the given quadratic function. -2 squared is equal to 4. 8 times -2 is -16, and just copy +8. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Positive times -16 is equal to -16, and just copy +8. 8 minus 16 plus 8 is equal to 0. The minimum or maximum point of a parabola is called the vertex, and the vertex is represented by h and k. Since x is equal to -2 and x is equal to h, then h is equal to -2. Since f of x is equal to 0 and f of x is equal to k, then k is equal to 0. So our vertex is -2 and 0. And this will be the graph of the given quadratic function. Since a is greater than 0, the quadratic function has a minimum point. The minimum point is -2 and 0. Example number 2. Determine the minimum or maximum point of the given quadratic function. F of x is equal to -3x squared plus 4x plus 4. From the given quadratic function, the value of a is -3. Since a is less than 0, the quadratic function has a maximum point. To find the maximum point, we had to solve for the value of x using the formula x is equal to negative b over 2a. From the given quadratic function, a is equal to negative 3 and b is equal to 4. Replace b and a using its values, 4 and negative 3. Negative times 4 is equal to negative 4. 2 times negative 3 is equal to negative 6. Negative 4 divided by negative 6 is equal to positive 2 over 3. Since x is equal to 2/3, substitute it to the given quadratic function. 2/3 squared is equal to 4 over 9. 4 times 2/3 is equal to 8 over 3. And just copy positive 4. Negative 3 times 4 over 9 is equal to negative 4 over 3. And copy 8 over 3 and positive 4. Negative 4 over 3 plus 8 over 3 plus 4 is equal to 16 over 3. So our f of x is equal to 16 over 3. Since x is equal to 2/3 and x is equal to h is equal to 2/3. Since f of x is equal to 16 over 3 and f of x is equal to k is equal to 16 over 3. So our vertex is 2/3 and 16 over 3. And this will be the graph of the given quadratic function. Since a is less than 0, the quadratic function has a maximum point. The maximum point is 2 over 3 and 16 over 3. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.